Twinkle Snow, Twinkle Star. Long winter lullaby for kids. Twinkle Snow, Twinkle Snow, twinkle white, dancing in the winter night. Little eyes are feeling slow. Twinkle Snow, twinkle glow. Twinkle Star, up so high, watching as the night goes by. Moonlight hums a lullaby, soft and warm across the sky. Twinkle Star up in the sky, watching as you close your eyes. Dreams of snow and gentle play till the light of day. Snowflakes kiss your sleepy nose, soft as feathers down they go. Little ashes blink, blink slow. Twinkle Snow, soft and low. Winter wind goes whoosh whoosh by, singing a hush lullaby. Trees are sleeping, birds are too. Twinkle Snow sings just for you. Twinkle Star up in the sky, blinking as the night goes by. Dreams are floating near and far. Twinkle Snow, twinkle star. Cozy hat and mittens near, warm sweet dreams, no fear, no fear. Snowy world is calm and bright. Twinkle Snow says night, night. Little cloud goes floating slow, moonlight makes the snowflakes glow. Heart feels warm, body deep. Twinkle Snow, time to sleep. Snow goes down, tip, tip toe, quietly, soft and slow. Little ashes heavy deep. Twinkle Snow helps you sleep. Window glows with candlelight, everything feels warm and right. Winter hums a gentle tune under star and silver moon. Twinkle Star up in the sky, close, close your sleepy eyes. Dreams are floating soft and far. Twinkle Snow, twinkle star. Tiny yawn goes so wide, Teddy cuddles by your side. Blanket hugs you snug and tight. Twinkle Snow says night, night. Footsteps quiet, house is still. Night wraps round the windowsill. Snowflakes rest on roof and tree. Winter sings so peacefully. Little heart goes dum-dum slow, breathing soft and breathing low. Every worry drifts afar. Twinkle Snow, twinkle star. Time to rest, you are safe, you are best. Moonlight kisses cheek and brow. Sleepy dreams are starting now. Twinkle Star up so high, close your eyes, sweet lullaby. Dream of snow and gentle light. Twinkle Snow, good night. Twinkle Snow, twinkle deep. Winter night, time